Good afternoon. Actually, I guess I say good morning. It's Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning. It is 10:45. We've got a commercial area we're doing here. There's three areas: a set of stairs, a hallway, and then a bedroom. See some spots there. It's a big spot right here. And then down the hallway here. And then there's some spots in this bedroom over here where the corner of the bed was, obviously. This is an exception job. This is a 3-area job. We're doing 3 houses for this property management. This will be a $300 job, this one area, or this one house, these 3 areas. So again, that's $100 an area. Kind of a long story, but we had a customer who contacted us about doing these jobs. We were told what they were already being charged, and we thought, well, we can provide a better service and for the same price. So they switched over, started using us several years ago. So this is one of the houses. There's 3 areas. Then we've got 2 other houses. I think one is 5 areas and the other one I think is 2 areas. So it's going to be a really good day for real easy. Okay, YouTube, it's now 11:20. So I guess we had a 35-40 minute job here. I did go ahead and do the other 2 areas, 2 of the 3. So it was a 6-area quote. When we did the quote, it was for 6 areas. They decided to just do 3. But to show my appreciation for their continued business, I went ahead and did the 2 areas at no charge. So we got this one bedroom that had the spots over there where the corner of the bed was. Those came right out. The spot in the hallway came right out. So like I said, it was a $300 job. We are in Macon, Georgia today. We're headquartered in Atlanta, the Cula area, but altogether today is going to be about $1,100 a day, because we got this job which was $300. We've got another one that is 5, so that's 8, and then we got another 2 areas in another house. So we're looking at $1,100. Now, yeah, it is 2 hours from Atlanta, but we had a customer who moved down to this area. Told these people about our services, and of course, kind of tough to turn down $1,100 in a day for a short 2-hour drive. So that's the beauty of having your own business, is that you can decide if that's something that is beneficial for you or not. So yeah, here's the spots that were in the hallway. They were right in there somewhere, but as you can see, they came right out as expected. The stairs look good. So we're all set. So we're on the way to the other 2 houses. So we should have see, it's 11:30. I guess it will take a little longer than lunch, but all in all, not a bad day. Thanks for watching. Be kind. Again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning. OMGFloorCare.com, 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching. Take care.